Hello children, welcome to Artzone. Do you know Seahorse is a tiny fish? It is named for the shape of its head, which looks like the head of, yeah, you guessed it, a tiny horse. I have named it Sheldon. You can give a cute name to your seahorse too. So let's start. Start with a circle at the right side of a page. Keep a gap and make a small circle for nose. Connect it with two slant lines. Draw from a top to make a circle for the eye. Add a small circle inside for pupil and a highlight. Let's draw a curved line for a belly and turn it round for a tail. Continue to draw the body and back to the head. Now draw a fin using number 3. Yes, make a curved line on a belly. It's called keel. Here, for coronet, draw a pattern. Very good. Few more. So nice. Sheldon is looking very cute. Now let's make a home for Sheldon. Show air bubbles in water. Add 3 stones on the ground. 1, 2, and 3. Repeat them on the other side. Good. Draw a curved line for the grass weed. Right. Repeat them on the other side. Hooray! Sheldon is at home. Draw few wave lines to show water. Yes. That's great. Do not forget to erase the extra lines. Wow, it looks so clean. Take a sketch pen and make an outline. Make a ground line at bottom. Very good. If you want to see more videos, subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like and share. Now let's color this. Take rose pink and color the body. Color it in one direction. Take purple for the belly. Nose and the pattern of coronet. Take light pink for the fins. Here let's mark other colors. Ochre for ground, grey for stones, dark green for grass weed, light blue for water, and dark blue for the bubbles. Color the bubbles very light. Make wave lines with the dark blue color. Yes. Make few more lines. Outstanding! You made it again. Thank you for watching.